A lot of you may have been going to the gym regularly all your life. Maybe you're just starting, but you're not getting the results you want or the body you want. I used to be there too, went to the gym, had my headphones, machine to machine, was showing up, doing stuff, plateaued. Looked the same from a picture from day 1 to day 365. Still toned, but no major improvements. Then I got with the Born Again Fitness guys, and from the first day I said, this is what a workout feels like. I felt the pump, I felt the pain, I finally knew what no pain, no gain meant. So in this video we're going to show you some techniques and some moves. If you want to get some arms, some shoulders, that's the work we did today. Do a lot of reps. This video was condensed, it was about an hour workout. Condensed this video down to about 15 minutes, sped up some sequences. So if you see it like that, no, we're not Superman, I probably sped it up just so you can get the picture of what we're doing. So make sure you check it out. Born Again Fitness, subscribe, like. Here we go, let's do it.
We'll go right from an arm workout today, straight into a shoulder workout. It's all top body. You know what I'm talking about? And you know, you gotta use your arms. So it's gonna be fatigue. You know what I mean? But I'm trying to double up today, shoulder and arms. You know what I'm talking about? I'm gonna take y'all somewhere where you ain't been before, or you ain't been in a long time. All right? All right, Dave. Give me 12 of the same. 12 of the same. Yes, sir. 2 seconds. 1, 2. Squeeze like you're trying to move the muscle. Pump that blood in. 2. See that squeeze? That squeeze is equivalent to like two reps. That squeeze is something crazy. Push that blood and fatigue that muscle. Heavy weight is for the bulk. Light weight is the cut up. Get that definition. You know what I mean? So we've been doing mostly bulk work. We've been doing mostly bulk work. So we're gonna put the start on the machine. Put it straight up to 200. And give me 20. Give me 20 on that. We'll run up the board. After that, you know, stair step a little bit. Then we're gonna go to the isolation with the dumbbells. We're gonna start repping. Something nice. It's only 170, lightly. So we're gonna go ahead and do 20. We're gonna do 20. Straight roll, up and down, up and down. Don't hold. You know what I mean? Because the lighter weight now, if you done did this heavier weight, I need the weight to come down some more. Alright? So give me 20. On the machine. Whoever down, get down. Carl, you start at the 170. For us, yeah, 200. Max it out. Max the whole machine out. That's what the arm machine goes. So start at 170. All right. And so I want your elbows straight. Keep a slight bend in your arms. The workout is pulling up. When you come up, squeeze. So now what we're gonna do? We're gonna start repping. Something nice. It's only 170, lightweight. So we're gonna go ahead and do 20. We're gonna do 20. Straight going through. Up and down. No hold. You know what I mean? But because it's a lighter weight now, after you done did this heavier weight, I need the weight to come down some more. All right. So give me 20.
That is the master right there, yo.
And that's how you do it, y'all. That's the first set. We're doing 4 sets of those. We get ready. We stay ready so we don't have to get ready. No. Yeah. Come on. 2 more failure, yeah.
No. Yeah, 2 more. Come on, Carl.
See that squeeze is equivalent to like two reps. That squeeze is something crazy. Just that blood and fatigue that muscle. Go to the isolation with the dumbbell. We're gonna do we call arm beaters. You know what I mean? They're called arm beaters. You take the 60-pound dumbbell, 10 on each arm. 55, 10 on each arm. 50, 10 on each arm. That's for the guys who can do that. And you know, everybody got their own weight, but for my big guys, that's your weight. You know what I mean? And we call those arm beaters because after hitting that back to back like that, you're definitely gonna feel it. You're gonna feel like somebody been beating on your arms. That's why we call them arm beaters. All right. We'll start you all with the 60s. And if you can't complete the workout, we just drop down to the 55, the 50s and the 45. Carl, you going 50, 45, and the 40. All right. You should be feeling it right now. All that blood pumped into your jaw. Huh? All that blood pumped in. All that blood pumped in you now, non-stop. You ain't supposed to be able to walk through this. It's an attack on your biceps. Yeah, that's an arm beat. It's an attack on the arms today. This is a workout right after we did the machine. And we warmed up on the machine, we racked the machine, and we walked it up. Started off with the 200, which is the max for 12, just to warm up. Then we stepped it up to the next, which is 185, then so forth. We did 4 sets. That was just the warm up. And this is the arm day. We call this workout the arm beat. You know what I mean? Because we tearing the muscle up. And I think after the machine, to go ahead and get these free weights is the most hard to do, because you go from a machine that's taking all the balance out of it to using your own stabilizing muscles in your arms and in your back and everything goes with this workout here. So you do 10 for you, wherever you want to be as far as your weight, and the stair step. I start off with the 60s, I drop to the 55 and the 50s. 10 reps each, and that's 1 set. So when you do it, it's going to be your way, what you can do. So we're going to demonstrate this workout for you. We're down too far. Got it? Come on. Come down. My hand. 2, 3. Come on. Keep control of the weight. Keep control of the weight. Yep. 5. Give me 5 on that one. We'll get this money today. Come on. Come down.
Fight it, man.
Really?
Fight for it.
Let's 4. Come on.
Fight for it.
Control the weight.
Fight for it. There you go. Fight for it.
6. One more. 7. Give me 2 on that one. Control the weight. Come on. Come on. That's 10. And 2 on that side. And 2. Come down to. Right there. A lot stronger today. First time I had y'all get on my arm beaters, man, like the kill you. You see? So, progress. If you ain't making no progress, there's no need to do it. You know what I'm talking about? You see, we only got the 60s. Like I said, we usually had them hundreds, 100-pound plates. Dumbbells, the 90s and them 80s. When we get to those, when y'all get to those, that's when we talk. You know what I mean? We might have to go see the guru, C.T. Fletcher. Might have to go see the guru. You know what I mean? Let him talk to us. You know what I'm talking about? So this is what we do. You know what I mean? Stay ready so we don't have to get ready. You know what I'm talking about? And that's it for this workout, y'all. Glad that y'all was able to join us. Until next time, maybe next time we'll do some legs with y'all. So come on, join us. Have a blessed day.